Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashionable blog. In today's video I will be show you some different types of local makeup products with names and prices. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Number 1. Tea Tree Clear Skin Serum. Number 2. FOCALLURE Face Powder. Number 3. FOCALLURE Eyeshadow Pencil. Number 4. PINKFLASH Lip Gloss. Number 5. FOCALLURE Blush, Highlighter and Contour. Number 6. FOCALLURE Liquid Blush. Number 7. FOCALLURE Setting Loose Powder. Number 8. FOCALLURE Lip and Cheek Dew. Number 9. PINKFLASH Eyebrow Pencil. Number 10. FOCALLURE Lip and Cheek Tint. Number 11. PINKFLASH Eyeshadow Palette. Number 12. FOCALLURE Eyebrow Pencil. Number 13. FOCALLURE Triple in 1. Number 14. PINKFLASH Blushes. Number 15. FOCALLURE Eyeshadow Palette. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.